Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you basic server tutorial, and today I will show you how to use Revolved Boss. But before we start, let's take a look at this first. Hello everyone, if you're interested to make a machine like this for your own project, this digital product is suitable for you. Just go to Koniago bio, click this, and click the next link. You can buy a machine concept or 3D part standard or ebook. So what are you waiting for? Buy it now. First, let's make a sketch. Go to Rect Plan, active center line, click from this point to this point. Now active line, click from this point to 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 this point and to this point. Active smart dimension, create the center line and this line. You can do like this, make radius and make the diameter. I choose like this, make 30mm. Okay, make this line length is 12mm. This line length is 10mm. This line and 10mm. Active center line, click in middle like this. Make this center line is vertical. Active smart dimension, click this line and this line. Make this 30mm. Okay, and make this center line length is 7mm. Click this point and this point, make horizontal. See? Now go to feature, active Revolved Boss. Now you have a parameter. In axis of revolution, click this center line. See? Now you have a part like this, part circle, and you can choose make 180 degree like this. See? Or 270 degree like this. See? Whatever you choose, whatever you want, you can make it. Go to this feature again, and you can make 300 degree like this and click OK. See? Now you know how to use Revolved Boss, and I think that is the end tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.